Spotting means you hold the leash in a way that prevents the dog from falling or slipping off of an EF. So we're doing this on the ground, and I'm holding the leash with a very little bit of tension in it. So I'm not holding him up, but I'm also not giving so much leash that if he fell off something, I'd have trouble catching him. I like to put a loop around my thumb and hold the leash, and then with the rest of the leash, don't let it just dangle around, because it could get caught in the EF or it could get caught around the dog's legs. So you want to make some more loops and hold it. That's it. My dog is safe. Come on up. Good boy. Turn around. Wait. Supporting off of an EF. So I have my leash looped around my thumb so it can't slip through my hands. And I'm going to put a little bit of pressure on the harness so when he steps off, there's a little bit less pressure on his front legs as he comes down. Ready? This way. Okay, let's go. Dusty. Dusty, come off. Good job. Between. Oh. Yay, good job. Okay. Wait. Good, good, good. Good. Okay. Yes. Get in. Wait. Good weight. Good weight. Okay. Yes. Through. Good, 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 good. Through. Good, 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 good. Through. Good boy. Yes. You are awesome. Spin. Yes. You are. Ready? Turn. Yes. Beautiful.